Hi, I'm Emma from Stanville. Now we are producing the R290 heat pumps. Do you know R290 refrigerant is currently the most environmentally friendly refrigerant and has little impact on greenhouse effects, but is explosive, so it has certain risks on safety. For this, we use a computer-controlled charging machine to assure the accuracy of the charging amount. And we set up 3 times leakage detection to assure that the gas will not leak. Due to the flammability of the R290, manufacturers have no capacity to produce this type of heat pump. But we can. We have a complete set of production equipment to assure the safety of the production. If you are interested in R290 series of the heat pump, please contact me.